Hi guys, so getting right into it today. Here are the products that I use to prep my nails. And then I went in with my Melody Susie file to buff down the cuticle. And then I'm going to be using the Kier Sky products today. I am actually going to be using their Glow in the Dark powder. It's one of the new ones that they just released. I will link everything that I use in the bio below. Here's an up-close shot of the Pillow Talk Glow Dipping Powder. Look how sparkly it is. Oh my god, I love it. And then for my nails, I'm going to be using the McCart Press-On Nail Set. They are Coffin Ballerina nail tips, and then I'm going to be using my Kiss brush glue.
Hey, what are you doing, sweetie? You showing off a treat? You showing off your treat? Oh, hello! Hi, sweetie.
So what I'm doing here is I'm filing down where I'm going to be gluing the nail on just so it can adhere a little bit better. So I'm just doing that with my nail drill. And then here I'm going to just be gluing down the nails. Next, I'm going to go in and clip the tips of the nail to my liking. Sorry, not all of it is in focus. It's kind of hard if you've never recorded a nail video to get it in focus. Now I'm going to go ahead and file them down a little bit, just get those side walls. Now I'm just filing the tops of the nails just to make sure that the dip powder has something to adhere to. Is it necessary? I have no idea, but did I do it? Absolutely. And now to create my apex, I'm going in with the base, and I'm going to be making a thin line from the middle of the nail to the tip. And I do this 2 times just so I can make sure that I create a strong apex, because the nails were looking pretty flat when I first put them on. And here I go again for the second time, creating that apex. And now for the star of the show. So I go in and first I put down the base for 3/4 of the nail, and then I dip it, and I'm going to do that for each nail, and then I go in for a second time, getting a little bit closer to the cuticle, and then I go in for a third time, getting as close as I can to the cuticle without actually flooding it. You will see though that the nails did get a bit bulky, and as I had previously mentioned, I definitely didn't really take the time to really file them down, but this was my first time doing dip nails on full cover glue-on nails. Usually I just do the tips, so it is a learning process, but I still think they came out pretty beautiful. Now I am going in with the top coat powder, and I'm going to be doing this for each nail. This just kind of helps protect the, the glitter, and if you have any designs or anything like that. Now I'm going in with the Seal Protect. You want to apply that liberally to each nail and then give it about 5 to 10 minutes to dry. You'll see in the next clip, I tap on the nails to make sure that they make a hollow sound that notifies me that they are dry and ready for filing.
Because of the echoes, the humidity.
My defense, it was my birthday.
Once they are dry, I'm going to go in and file them down and just shape them up, make sure that they look clean. Once they are all filed, I go ahead and rinse them off, and then I go in one more time with the Seal and Protect. And then after that, I take a lint-free wipe, and then I wipe up any residue or anything left over. And then I'm going in with the Amelie, I don't really know how to say it, top coat. I don't really like the one that came with the Care Sky kit, so I did get this one off Amazon, and then I'm going to go in with that. And it's a no wipe top coat, so after I cure it in the lamp, it is good to go. And then I'm going to show you how the nails came out in 3 different lights. The first time I cured it, and then later on in the afternoon when I put it under the cure light again, and then finally when they glow in the dark. So here's after the first cure. You can already see they're kind of glowing, and then once my camera focuses, you can see how pretty and pink and sparkly they are. And now here they are a couple hours later. They are literally glowing. They look radioactive. And then finally here they are glowing in the dark. You can kind of see how chunky they are, but oh my god, are they so cool, and they're absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.